Here in the I button and description box below you will get complete playlist of discrete mathematics. Welcome to video number 7, and in this video we are going to see a very important topic, that is power set. Okay, yes. Before I move into, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you learn something from my videos then please hit the like button and do share the playlist of this chapter with your friends. Okay, in this way only you are going to support me, and I really need your support. It is just a request. So let us start with this topic, that is power set. What is a power set? Okay, the family consisting of all the subsets of any set. Okay, the family consisting of all the subsets of any set. Let's suppose you are given a set and we need to find the all type of subset of that set. The family consisting of all that subset of that set is known as power set of that set. Okay, it is denoted by P of A. If A is my set, then the family consisting of all the subsets of that set is known as power set, and it is denoted by P of A. Okay, now we will take one example. Let's suppose you have this set, that is A equals to, there are three elements present in this set A, that is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now you need to find the power set of this set A. Okay, in that case we need to write power set of A, that is in between this, okay, in between this bracket, that is curly bracket, we need to write all the elements, or you can say all the subsets of that set. My first subset would be, yes, this is an empty set, or you can say null set. Okay, yes, since in the previous video we have seen that is this phi, okay, which is null set, this is a subset of every set. Okay, this phi is a subset of every set, and since we are dealing with this subset, set A, then we would say the subset of this A would be phi. Okay, yes, then we will say the next element, or you can say the next subset of this A is how much? 1, then 2, then 3, then we will take 1 2 as combined, then we will take 1 3 as combined, then we will take 2 3 as combined. Okay, and in the last we will take 1 2 and 3. Yes. Okay, so here you can see the power set of A. Power set of A is consisting of how many elements? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Here the elements present in set A is how much? 1 2 and 3, but the elements present in power set of A is how much? 8. Okay, yes. So I hope this point is clear. How to find the power set? That is, yes, first you need to write the empty set, that is 5, then we will write only 1, then 2, then 3, then combine. Okay, yes, 2 at a time, that is 1 2 1 3 2 3, then we'll take 3 at a time, that is 1 2 3. Okay, in this way you can find the power set of any set. Okay, yes, in set builder form we can write this as, okay, this power of set, that is X such that X is a subset of A. Okay, in set builder form we can write this power set of A as X such that X belongs to, sorry, this X is a subset of A. Okay, now if you see the cardinal number, or you can say cardinality of set A is how much? 3, because 3 elements are present and 3 elements are distinct. Okay, yes, all these 3 elements are distinct. Now if you count this power set of A, the number of elements present in this power set of A, then it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So the total number of elements that is present in this power set is how much? 8. Okay, yes, number of elements present in this power set of A is how much? 8, which is equals to 2 to the power 3. Okay, 2 to the power number of cardinal number of set A, that is 3. Okay, so in general we can use this formula, that is number of elements present in power set of A is equals to 2 to the power number of elements present in the set A, or you can say cardinal number of a power set of A is equals to 2 to the power set of cardinal number of set A. Okay, yes, now at the end we are going to see very important note. Okay, yes, the number of proper subset, okay, the number of proper subset present in the set A. Okay, yes, if you find the power set of this A, then it includes one set as 1 2 3, which is nothing but a set A. Okay, if you find power set of A, then you will find an element, okay, or you can say one element of this power set is what? 1 2 and 3, which is what? Which is this set A. Okay, so if you remove this set A, okay, then we can say other elements, other 7 elements, if you remove this, then the other 7 elements, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, these all 7 elements are subset. Okay, proper subset. Okay, this is not a proper subset because this itself is a set. Okay, so the proper subset of this set A is how much? 7. And how we can find this? That is, yes, simply use this formula, that is 2 to the power n minus 1. What is n? N is the cardinal number of set A. Okay, here you can write modulus of A or you can write NA. Okay, whatever it is, okay. 2 to the power 3, that is 8 minus 1. How much? 7. And the 7 proper subsets are 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 3. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.